Cleaning a sensor is not as scary as you may think, and if you've got some spots in your photos, it may be time to give her a clean. It is a super simple process, so if you're a first time cleaner, follow along. Step number 1, go to the fridge, grab some beers. Step number 2, use a blower like this guy from VSGO and blast some air onto your sensor. Now this step can clean away a lot of the unwanted dust, but not necessarily all. And this blower in particular actually has a little filter inside, so we're only ever blowing clean air onto our sensor and not adding more dust into the equation. During this process, hold the camera upside down to allow gravity to assist any of the dust falling out of the camera. Now it's time to clean. Pick yourself up a sensor cleaning kit like this one from VSGO, just make sure you choose the right size in relation to whatever your sensor size in your camera is. If your camera has IBIS, it likely has a self-cleaning function. Activate this. This will attempt to get off any fresh micro dust. It never actually works. But if your camera is anything like the Sony's, once you've activated the cleaning mode and it does its thing, it leaves itself ready for manual cleaning mode. Basically, it just locks up the IBIS. Obviously, if you have a DSLR, you don't have IBIS, so you won't need to activate IBIS, but you will need to find a way to lock up the mirror. Next, you're going to grab yourself a sensor cleaning swab. Apply 1 to 2 drops of the sensor cleaning solution on one side of the swab, then stroke your swab across the sensor with the wet side down. Next, flip the swab over and use the dry side and stroke across the sensor. It doesn't matter which way you go, left to right or right to left, just make sure you're going in the same direction both times. Rinse and repeat this action until when you look closely, you can't see any dust. Then whack a lens on that sucker and call up a buddy and see if they want to come over and split those beers you took out the fridge earlier.
Do you want a beer?
That is how you clean a camera sensor. Go listen to Eminem Cleaning Out My Closet. I'll see you next time. Bye. We are done. Nice, thank you.
Why would you thank me?